Do you know what the skills of the future are? It's collaboration, critical thinking, creativity, and communication. These are the skills of the future. You should join LogiQminds to learn them.
At LogiQminds, we offer comprehensive skills for your kids. Not just preparing for standardized tests, math and English, but also technology and future essentials. We have custom programs for your child's needs at our premium studio, right in your neighborhood. We offer math, English, as well as preparatory classes for competitive tests like COGAT, Math Olympiad, Math Kangaroo, SAT, and ACT. Our professional staff and certified teachers boost your child's confidence and academic performance. For those with a passion in technology, we offer VEX and LEGO robotics, coding, Python, Roblox, gaming design, Minecraft, digital electronics, and drones with hands-on training. We also offer essential skills like public speaking, entrepreneurship, chess, and interactive YouTuber courses to boost confidence and critical thinking skills. Our studio is right in your neighborhood. Go reserve your spot now on www.LogiQminds.com. Our learning advisor will get in touch with you to discuss our offerings that suit your child's needs. Don't forget to ask for a free trial class.